Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by granting camera permission so Windows can access your webcam. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Camera. Once done, open the camera app from Start or the taskbar. Position your PC or external webcam so the QR code fills the frame without being clipped. Hold steady roughly 6 to 12 inches away. Make sure lighting is even and avoid glare. If the built-in camera app doesn't detect the code automatically, don't stop. Install a free Microsoft Store QR scanner as a fallback. Once your camera sees the code, the app should decode it automatically. You'll often see a banner or preview of the URL or text. If nothing happens, tap the shutter or take a photo, then open that image in the Photos app and use a QR reader feature or a Store app to decode it. Make sure to read the decoded content. If it's a link, check the domain before you click. This avoids phishing and ensures you only open trusted pages or apps. To finish, tap the link preview to open it in Edge or copy the decoded text to paste elsewhere. If the code won't scan, make sure the lens is clean, increase room lighting, and move the camera slightly farther or closer. Small distance changes help focus. If problems persist, restart the camera app or install a trusted QR scanner from the Microsoft Store. A quick troubleshooting tip. Test with a known working QR to isolate whether the issue is the code, lighting, or your camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.